break the team's success. But how do they decide which one to choose? Choosing an agile lifecycle is not a one-size-fits-all kind of decision. There are several factors that teams need to consider. Let's dive right in. Firstly, the team's skills and discipline play a major role. The continuous delivery life cycles, for instance, require a high level of skill and discipline. While all life cycles require a degree of skill, the continuous delivery ones truly stand out. Now, if we're talking about a serial life cycle, it can accommodate lower-skilled people. Thanks to its handoff-oriented nature, each phase can be staffed with narrowly skilled specialists. Moving on, we have the team and organization culture. Agile and continuous delivery life cycles thrive in an environment of flexibility. They need a team and an organization that are open to change and adaptation. On the other hand, lean strategies can work in a wide range of environments, from highly flexible to rather